working on a Jeep that has a coolant temperature code. Took the thermostat out using a diesel heater to heat it up to temperature and to test the new one and old one to see, to compare the results. I'm pretty sure that the old one is sticking. This one isn't up to 195 yet. 185. Should start opening here shortly. This one over here, this one's cooled off and it's still stuck open. I heated it up. It's not 195. So let's see what we got going on over here. Is it opening yet? Not yet. It's getting close though. Having trouble getting the lower radiator hose off the thermostat housing. The clamp is all rusty and I can't get it over the, it's very tricky to get hoses off. I have a special tool, it's a hose pick tool that you put around there to get it off, but the clamp's in the way and I can't get the clamp off, so I'm probably going to cut it off. Closed for a long time compared to that other one. That other one opened up like right away. About ready to fall in there. That other thermostat's definitely bad. That one opened up way quicker. Oh, here it goes. Neat tool to diagnose it. It's getting there. I want to see if this one closes faster than the other one. That's how thermostats work. Once they hit the set point temperature, they start to open up, and then as they cool off, they close. That's how the engine regulates its temperature. And this just can't quite get up to 10. There it is, yeah. Alright, it's fully open. This is probably really, really hot. How can I grab this? Oh, no. Alright. Don't try this at home, folks. So this one still open. It's still open. It's been sitting over here a while. $117 with it still being open. 107. This one's already cooling off. That one already closed. Yep, this thermostat's no good. All right, that's it. Testing out thermostat using a diesel heater.